What's up? I'm back. So yeah, I'm kind of waiting for the bullish retest on Bitcoin. We might not even get it today, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna switch some things up with the risk idle high setups. Yeah, I mean there are some changes I would like to make, but I don't think now is the right moment. Alright. So I am going to make a new setup on the core API. And what I'm going to do is trade one of these instruments, which I think are the most promising. It's kind of hard because I really like Link right now. Yeah. So we're going for a similar approach as LDO. So we're just gonna start with 4 weight and so this will just be a lower time frame play. I do think Link will deviate, but I do think it will be a higher low. Yeah, I kind of expect these levels to be swept, where we will very likely go towards the 20 mark. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we also crossed this one. Yeah, as you can see, we're above this level of horizontal resistance. So I think we could conclude that we now flip this to to support, where we will either range or just push through towards the 20 mark. Anyways, I'm looking to trade this all the way to yeah, I think this is kinda accurate. Like the thing that makes me want to get involved right now, even though Bitcoin is at resistance, is that there's a lot of confluence and support underneath. Our our hodl zone is 43.1, and if we just simply drag this down, you can see all the moving averages, all the major Fib levels are all inside this 20% trade zone, which makes it makes it quite interesting and quite promising, at least for short-term gains. So even if we deviate because Bitcoin gets rejected, which is pretty likely, that's what we're waiting for, basically, to create a higher low, but a pullback nonetheless. It still would just fill our bags, and because there's so much confluence inside our trade zone, yeah, it's just gonna make us money, you know. So the worst case scenario right now would be Bitcoin rejecting and completely ignoring all fundamental levels lower, and just going down, yeah, towards the 4-hour 200 moving average. Even then, I do not expect Link, because Link on its own has very different price action than Bitcoin. It's really not correlated, at least not that strongly correlated to Bitcoin. So there might even be the argument that if Bitcoin goes down, Link breaks out. And yeah, overall I just like Link, the way it looks right now, and we're just gonna play ping pong here, probably. But if we do break out, I would like to get stopped by my trade window high, and if we start to play ping pong, well, you guessed it right, we're gonna make a shitload of money with Marstech. Let's have a look. Where are we going to put our... Now it's just all about measurements, like, as you can see, fuck. We kind of want it to fit. Yeah, I think we might wick here. Let's see. Yeah, we might wick here. This will be our high. Volume is decent though, it's almost 6 million. You would like to see this grow. I mean, the chart, it's looking okay. It's looking better than Bitcoin, to be honest. Yeah. And as far as the low goes, I think I might, yeah, I'm going to front run the daily open. Yeah, this should be a good setup. Yeah, because I really think we're either gonna break out higher and range, maybe do something like this, or we're just gonna range right here, have a little bit of sideways, and as you can see, the average daily range is 6.2, and we're already up 9. So yeah, it kind, for me it just kind of looks good. So yeah, in the meantime I'm just gonna watch Harry Potter or something. So in the case that Bitcoin finishes its bullish retest, I'm just gonna get out of Link and go risk risk reward long, because in my opinion, there's more money to be made trading all these risk reward long than singly, just only trading Link right now. But in the meantime, while we're waiting, I think there's some money to be made here. Might not be a lot, because overall Link is not that volatile. But we could get lucky. So yeah, I'll be back later this evening to see if something happens. Let's see, we can also update this 302. Yeah, see you guys.